Good morning, guys. This is my second day here at Peninsula, and as usual, I'm going down again to eat our buffet. Pampataba na naman. Nagmamadali kasi liligo ko lang may meeting pa kami. Nagmamadali po ako at ang meeting po magsisimula na, hindi pa po ako kumakain. So, we're in a hurry. Ito lang, ganito lang get up ko. Ayun, rubber shoes. As usual, on the go. Good morning, guys. We are here at the stall again. We will eat our breakfast buffet, and we are here with our yaya. Kasama namin mga yaya namin. And kami siyempre mga boss nila. So we will eat and good morning. What happened? So I think we got the wrong place, and we will be in the spices. Yeah, spices this time. And they call this area spices. Look at this. All the spices and the herbs are here. See? Hi! So this is gonna be our area. It's not in the Skolka. We will be in this, this is different place. Much lesser food. So here we are. We're just showing you the food that they have here. So guys, here we have the longanisa, chorizo, of course the milkfish and the fried rice, and with some fruit. Tara, let's go. I'm hungry. So masarap to. This cheese very nice. So I got some toast here. Toast there. Nasi ko po yun. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to run. Ito na. Oh my god. Nararamdaman ako. Naririnig ako. Wait. Naririnig ako, nakikita ako. Ayun pala yung aswang na yun. Yun lang pala yun. Negro lang pala. Mali. Hi guys! Natapos po kami ng aming breakfast. And after 30 minutes, I'll be on meeting na. A meeting with my business partner, and I'm so happy, and we're done eating. Ano kayo pag-uusapan namin? Puro permahan. So, nabusog ako, guys. Dami kong kinain. Maraming salamat po at tinamahan niyo po ako sa mga oras na ito na kung saan ako po ay naglagalag. I show you the part or some area here at Peninsula. Ang room ko po, to share it with you, 7,000 plus per night, and it's a big room, and the food is included, the eat all you can sa breakfast. Kapag breakfast po dito is 1,700 per head. So ganun po talaga kapag may ka-meeting ka, you have to do it, you have to pay it. It's okay. And wala naman akong ma-comment dito, so let's just enjoy our day, our moment while staying outside. Explore the life. Explore the place, and marami ka matututunan while you are exploring. For me, we are learning so much. Sa akin kasi, we are learning kapag lumalabas ka. Hindi ka magiging limited lang yung thinking mo sa isang bagay, yung comfort zone mo, get out. Huwag kang makontento sa iyong comfort zone. Diba? So, at mamaya po after the meeting, I'm done here. So, pag-stay na po ako rito ng 3 days. Actually, 5 days, 4 days po kami dito. 4 days po kami. So, tagal ng maraming pinag-meetingan. So, ayun. And I'm happy at natapos na rin po ang aming pong meeting. Masaya ako at natapos na rin po ang aming meeting at hindi po biro dahil po masyado pong masalimuot ang pag-meeting na ganyan. So, may spotlight ako. Makalat po ang area ko kasi pagkain, bumibili sa labas, mo-order. Ayun, may mga pizza, may mga 7-Eleven. So, call of nature na ako, guys. Call of nature na ako. And then, guys, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Dito na po matatapos ko ang journey ko here at Peninsula. Naway naibigan nyo po ang aking pong pag-tutur sa inyo at ang pinakita kong ambience ng Peninsula. So, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Again, this is Emmy, your nurse, Trulala. Bye. Hello to the medical staff of Republic of India. Am I right? People from India who's studying medicine in the Philippines. Bye!